Greetings, distinguished guests and scholars. Today, we journey back to the 6th century BC to visit the world of Anaximander of Miletus. As we unpack the profound musings of this Pre-Socratic thinker, we'll delve deep into his conceptualization of the universe, the nature of being, and the intriguing concept of the Apeiron. Anaximander's Miletan milieu. First, let's paint the backdrop of Miletus, a bustling city of the Ionian coast, a melting pot of ideas and a beacon of intellectual fervor. Anaximander wasn't just a philosopher, he was an astronomer, geographer, and supposed inventor of the gnomon, a tool used in sundials. The Apeiron, the boundless as the origin. Central to Anaximander's philosophy is the concept of the Apeiron, often translated as the boundless or the infinite, while his predecessors like Thales with water proposed tangible elements as the primary substance of all things. Anaximander ventured into the abstract. For Anaximander, the Apeiron isn't just an undifferentiated mass. It's an eternal, imperishable principle that underlies all existence. It is neither water, nor air, nor fire. It's beyond our direct comprehension. Cosmology and Earth's place in the cosmos. Anaximander's views on the cosmos are pioneering. Dismissing the flat Earth model, he proposed that the Earth is cylindrical, suspended freely in space, and supported by nothing. This idea, in its audacity, underscores Anaximander's break from traditional paradigms. His cosmological model also includes celestial bodies that encircle the Earth, each existing in concentric rings. It's a testament to Anaximander's genius that he theorized the existence. Of the stars and planets beyond what's visible to the naked eye. Life, evolution, and humanity. Anaximander's insights weren't confined to cosmology. In pondering the origin of humanity, he speculated that life began in the wetter, primordial environments of the Earth, and then evolved. Humans, in his theory, originated from other species, a thought that foreshadows the evolutionary ideas we are more familiar with from Charles Darwin. Implications and legacy. What Anaximander offers us isn't just an ancient worldview, but a mindset. His willingness to transcend the obvious and tangible, to seek origins beyond immediate experience, sets the stage for philosophical and scientific inquiry. In the boundless Apeiron, we find the roots of the dialectical methods that later philosophers such as Heraclitus and Hegel would expand on. The infinite, the undifferentiated challenges us to think beyond dualities. Furthermore, Anaximander's evolutionary interlinkings encourage us to see ourselves as intertwined with nature, not as separate entities. To conclude, Anaximander, through his audacious speculations, asks us to embrace the unknown, to question the evident, and to recognize the profound interconnectivity of all things. In his philosophy, we find the seeds of a boundless curiosity that has driven human inquiry for millennia. As you step out today, I hope you carry with you a sliver of Anaximander's boundless wonder for the cosmos and our place within it.